Hi everybody, welcome back to another video, and let me bring you down a little bit here. Alright, that's better, so you're closer to me. There. I was going to do this upstairs in the beauty area, but I thought I'll just do it down here because it's kind of a little bit of a mixture anyway. So I got a little haul. This is so cute. I saw this, it was in the bag aisle, it was on the end, and I'm like, I have got to have that. I am going to probably put this up on my dresser because it's so pretty. And I have a bulldog, but he's not a girl. But look at that, it says, you get one wish and make it a good one. Look, isn't that beautiful? I'm gonna put that up on my dresser somewhere. It's so cute. I'm like, that's fun. I'll probably put it up on my shelf. But that's cute. And then I found these. They're $3. These are so pretty. I want to put them up there somewhere over my dresser. One says perfume in Paris, and this one says perfume Paris. One's black and white, one has pink. Isn't that cute? So I want to put those up there too. And then Halloween related, I grabbed one of these little houses. Now I'm thinking of something different for the mantle, like I've said before, and I seen this on Crafty Girl vlogs. She does a lot of Dollar Tree things. Well, she's put out some of her Halloween stuff, and I haven't finished. It looked like she had a bunch of different ones of these and painted them black for like little houses or whatever, little towns. So that's what I want to do. But this is the only one mine had, my Family Dollar had. So when I go over shopping, I'll go to Dollar Tree and see if they have some more. And I'll grab a couple of other ones. But that's a fun little thing. And then, of course, I had to get, it's time for nails. Oh, these ones are so pretty. I might put these ones on. Look at how pretty these are. They're white with gold specks on them. Aren't they pretty? Oh my gosh, those are so pretty. And then these ones. I love these ones. And then something for fall. I got a pair of these ones. Not quite sure which ones I'm going to put on though. I kind of really like these, but these would be good for October. So I may save these for next month and then put on either these ones or these mauve ones. I like these. I might put these ones on. I really like these. I don't know. And then I picked up one of these. You always think of Christmas gifts ahead of time. So this will go away until later. But isn't this cute? It's this curtain. And it takes batteries. But I think that she'll either put it in her window, on her window, or she'll put it above her bed. But I grabbed one of these, so I'll put this away. And we'll have that for later on. So that's my little haul for now. I haven't quite got into doing some Halloween things. I need to get on that. I'm going to get behind. So I do have a couple of things that I've done, and it's just a matter of waiting to decorate, really. So anyway, thanks for watching my little haul. Sorry it's not in the beauty area. That's where I should have done it, but I didn't go up there. So anyway, that was a fun one, and we shall see you again in the next one. Bye now.